In this video, we are gonna be doing two things. One, we're gonna be showing you the brand new Morimoto headlights, and we're gonna be giving away a set of these brand new headlights. And we're gonna talk about the details on how to get entered and everything like that. So let's take a look at these headlights. So first, let's take a look at these headlights. So what we've done here is we've set these to two different colors. The driver's side is the amber with the sequential headlights. The passenger side has the standard white. So depending on what you like, you can choose them accordingly, and you could do so very easily now without opening the headlights or anything like that. So these are the Evo headlights. They will come with these little plug-in things here. They are a 3-prong. It has like a rubbery seal around it to protect whatever is on the inside of this. There are 4 colors. Currently, we have the black one over here on the driver's side, which allows us to have the amber color and the sequential turn signal. So there's 2 sequential patterns. There's plenty of review videos out there, and even Morimoto has one. So we're not really gonna get into detail with all that stuff, but I will show you a couple of my favorite features, like the topo map that is on this side of the lower, I guess, DRL piece. The front top DRL is a single solid LED, which looks really good. And then underneath here, we have this very cool, like almost like dragon style on it with 3 projectors, which are extremely bright. Now let's take a look at the white side here. The rings, I guess, around the projectors are more of like a dark chrome. So not exactly chrome, but not completely black. And I really like that the side markers are amber instead of being all blacked out. This gives it more of an OEM kind of plus taste and look to them. So that is the design of these. Switching these out is extremely easy. We're gonna pop the hood and show you where you need to do that. So we brightened up the camera just a little bit so you can see exactly where we are looking at. So this passenger side has the blue plugged in right there, and that will allow you to change the color and the turn signal pattern. So it's as easy as reaching in there, unplugging that, and plugging whichever one you want in. So we got the hazards on to show the turn signals. So this is like the factory Toyota style, where it will just light up and then retract the light to create the turn signal, versus the other turn signal that will just illuminate from one end to the other. I personally like this one a little bit more just because it is a little bit different than the other headlights on the market and more like Toyota. Since we are talking about Morimoto lights, I'm going to show you the Morimoto tail lights as well. These are the new ones. This is the factory red style. I really like OEM look and finish, so that's why I chose the red versus the black, and it looks really good. It has one kind of sliver for the super bright reverse lights. So now let's flip on the turn signals and brake lights just to see. So the DRL's on, the headlights are on, and the turn signals is pretty nice as well. It is amber. It's hard to see in the video, but that turn signal is amber. So this is like legal pretty much in every country and state. And then the reverse light is just insanely bright, as you can tell here. Even though there's only a sliver of area for the light to come out, it is super bright. Now let's talk about some of the rules to get entered in this giveaway. So we're going to give away this exact set here, the Evo, for the 4Runner, and what you're gonna have to do is, one, you're gonna have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, obviously, and then two, you will have to follow Morimoto's Instagram page. We will check if the winner is following them. If you do not follow them, we will redraw for somebody else. So make sure you follow their page and then follow our Instagram page as well. We will put both Instagram pages down in this video's description, so you can just click it and go follow, and then just make sure you are subscribed to our channel. So 3 steps, pretty much it, super easy. And then we will draw in exactly 2 weeks from this video's upload date. So just look at that and then we'll go from there. So be sure to get entered. And if you are not subscribed and want to win, make sure you are subscribed, and we'll see you in a later video.